In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workload in Asana. Workload in Asana gives you a clear visual picture of who's doing what and whether anyone on your team is overloaded or underutilized. It turns scattered tasks into an at-a-glance resource map so you can make smarter decisions without guesswork. We'll keep this simple and focus on three core actions: opening the workload view, setting each person's weekly capacity, and adding effort to tasks so the view has meaningful data. Start by opening your project or portfolio in Asana and clicking the Workload tab at the top. This switches you from a list of tasks to a people-first timeline that rolls up effort by person. In a project, you'll see workload based on tasks within that single project. In a portfolio, you'll see workload rolled up across multiple projects you've grouped together. Either way, this view is where capacity and effort come together to show a realistic picture of availability. Next, set each person's weekly capacity. Click a person's name and enter their weekly capacity in hours, like 40 for a full-time schedule. This number should reflect the actual time they can spend on project work in a typical week, not their total working hours, if a portion is reserved for meetings or support. If someone is part-time, use a smaller number, such as 20. If a team member's availability changes during busy seasons or around time off, update their capacity so workload stays accurate. Think of this as your baseline. It tells Asana how much work a person can realistically carry. Now, add effort to your tasks. Open a task and fill in the estimated effort field. Use the same unit you used for capacity, generally hours, so comparisons are accurate. Be consistent across your team. If one person uses hours and another uses points, workload has less meaning. For small tasks, you can estimate in fractions, like 0.5 hours, and for larger tasks, consider the total time required across the week. The more thoughtfully you estimate, the more reliably workload will reflect reality. With capacity set and estimated effort filled in, the workload view will calculate totals for each person across the time frame, highlighting where someone is at capacity or over it. Use this insight to spot imbalance early, plan ahead, and communicate expectations clearly. A quick recap: open your project or portfolio and click Workload, set weekly capacity by person, and add estimated effort to tasks. Keep those two numbers, capacity and effort, up to date, and Workload will give you a trustworthy, real-time view of your team's bandwidth.